Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So, VW Caravelle 1999T Demonstrator plus one owner. Yes, the last owner's had it 24 years. 10 services just been serviced and will come with 12 months MOT. Techno blue metallic, 148,000 miles. £9,995, the nicest T4 Caravelle we have ever owned. 7 seats, the rear triple seat makes into a day bed, so it slides out flat. Lovely condition, 2 keys, just had a cam belt, so cam belt just done. Not really dented, scratched or tatty in any way. Lovely and clean throughout. Electric windows, remote central locking, no warning lights on, armrests on all the seats, original radio cassette that works, climate control, VW rubber mats in the front, one sliding side door. So 3 seats in the back which make into a day bed, 2 seats there which clip out very easily to give you more room. There's a table and cup holders over there, the table folds up. Just had a new power steering pump, just been serviced, just had a cam belt. As I say, got 10 services. On the logbook it is down as a minibus. Okay, so in there are some plastic trays to put your stuff in, spare wheel, and these are a set of original curtains which look like they've never been used. As you can see, all in very nice condition for a vehicle that's 1999 in the year. Michelin tyres, no holes in the driver's seat cloth or anything, all original. 148,007 miles. £9,995 for probably the cleanest T4 we have ever seen. Don't really want to sell this one or to keep it, but please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there and subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will be the first person to get a little notification every time we have a fresh vehicle in stock. You'll be one of the first people to know about it. Nearly 2,000 car videos on our YouTube channel. You can have a look through. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.